Hi, I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. This is a Bentley Turbo R. Now, on our previous videos, I think I did a video on this one where all the lacquer was all peeling off. The glove box door, all that was sticking up and coming away from the aluminium substrate. So this is actually been in to be repaired and to be re-lacquered. But this actual set, we don't see many of them like this. This is in a burnt elm veneer. Now I'm just going to wipe it down because we are going to have to add a stain to this veneer to match the darker pieces that are on, i.e. the door capping's a strip that goes down there. So I'm just going to wipe it down with a little bit of water. So on just a piece of tissue, you can see it's like a goldeny colour. Now what would happen is the darker colour that's there, obviously we can't leave that the two-tone colour. The rubber does actually go over the back edge and that's protected the veneer, hence that's why it's still the original colour. So now we've got to try and match this colour to that colour. And you can see it's all been sanded up, it's all ready to be painted. So we will use a light brown paint in all these pieces like this, or in these holes and things like that, on the ends of the door cappings. And you can see the back of that little door there as well. That's still the original colour because it's been shot, so it's been protected. Okay, I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. Thank you very much for watching. Please click like, share and tell your friends, and follow us on YouTube. Bye bye.